Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make stickers using Procreate Illustrator and Cricut Joy. Before we start, here's everything you will need. A Cricut Joy, a mat, a Cricut Joy fine liner pen, which is 0.4 millimeters. Or you could use a tape. Premium matte sticker paper, A4 sized. A scissor. An iPad to draw your stickers on. Some sort of a computer with design space loaded in it. And lastly, a printer. I'm using an ET2760 here. So first you make the stickers on, I'm here using Procreate to make my stickers, but you can use any other software that you have. After I'm done designing, I will export this as a transparent PNG and upload it to Drive, from where I can use it on my computer. Next, we set the design up for print on the computer. You can pause the screen to take a screenshot of what the settings are here. In the beginning over here, I use a half an A4 size, but then later I change it to 10 centimeters by 29 centimeters. I save this file as a PNG as well, so I can later upload it to the design space. I then proceed to take this design and arrange it on an A4 document so I can print it on an A4 paper. This ensures that no paper is wasted. Here I'm also using the color profiles and setting it according to what I think will look best. With all the settings done, you just hit print and the printer will do its work. Then proceed to set up the stickers on the design space so we can cut them through our Cricut Joy. As I import the image in design space, it's too large, so I resize it according to the size we decided earlier, which was 10 centimeters by 29 centimeters. After this, I click on the contour and get rid of the border just so I could add some offset to the telephone stickers. I then proceed to hide the telephone stickers and keep the offsets with the border. Now that that's set, we have to make markings on the Cricut mat before we can start to cut the stickers on the Cricut Joy. To make the mark, we will simply take a shape and resize it to the same dimensions as 10 centimeters by 29 centimeters and align it with the square that we have and make a mark on the Cricut mat using a Cricut pen. I will set the operation on this to a pen from a basic cut. Here you can see I'm loading an empty mat just so I can make some markings on it. Then proceed to align the sticker paper onto these markings. Make sure that the border aligns with the markings on the mat. You will need to try this a couple of times before you get the right cutout. I then proceed to make both the rectangle and the offsets in a basic cut operation. I will align the rectangle behind the offset so you can see clearly what I'm doing. I'm basically cutting these shapes now. You will press continue and it will ask you what kind of material it is. But over here I'm using Cricut, which I made customized, and I think the pressure on it is 100. Just like that, you have your very own stickers with the Cricut Joy. You can try to do this a couple of times to get the alignment on the cuts right. Since this was my first try, the alignment wasn't that perfect. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section below. And if you like my videos, you can share them or maybe even hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.